3.
Happy
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laurel. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Thank you,
We forgot.
Do it
What?
again.
Do it again. Oh, how do those words go that they sing at school?
God blessings to
you. God's blessings to you. God's blessings, dear Laurel. God's blessings to you. Yay! Give Willow a big hug and a kiss and tell him thank you.
Okay, let's get the gift ready. The present.
Aw, good job, guys.